So today we are going to cover the topic is your endoplasmic reticulum, right? So where this topic comes in your paper 2. That is in that paper 2 in that unit 1, right? In that unit 1 there's a cytology or the cell organelle, right? So in that cell organelle this is a endoplasmic reticulum, short form. It is also known as ER, of course. So general thing we know about that ER, of course. So why I'm here to talk about that ER? Because if you see the PYQs, you will see the function of the ER has specifically asked. So general function of ER, we know that due to the presence of ribosome and the ER on the ER. So of course this is involved in the protein synthesis, yes. But this is not only you can write in your 10 marker or the 15 marker, whatever the marks are, the question is there. So suppose that if we're simply talking about that endoplasmic reticulum, what are the contents, what are the other than this content you can write about it like that, okay? So first in the introduction, or simple, we are not going to talk about like the what is the, depending on the question, right? So we are not going to talk about what you write in the introduction and this and this. We are talking general about the ER, okay? So of course ER is single membrane bound, sorry, is membrane bound, membrane bound, interconnecting, interconnecting, parallel, parallel, structure, structure, present, present in the cytoplasm or the protoplast, present in the cytoplasm in association with, in association with outer wall, outer membrane. Okay, so there's difference between the wall and membrane. Someday I'll describe the outer membrane of nucleus, right? So your nucleus is actually made up of your double membrane. Nucleus is your double membrane structure. So when we, of course, I'll draw the diagram of that. So when we'll see the structure of the nucleus, there's an inner regular membrane, an inner membrane, and the outer membrane. Then outer membrane, it is associated, it is attached with the ER. Okay, so it was first discovered by, it was first discovered by Porter and Thomson, Porter and Thomson, independently, independently, separately, of course. They are not in us. They are not where they have this work that's not done by the Porter and Thomson simultaneously. So, but independently, and this term, this ER actually, this ER term or endoplasmic reticulum term is, this term is coined by, is coined by Porter. This is some of the extra coined by the Porter. This is some of the extra information you can of course write down in your introduction part. Of course, coined by Porter. Okay. So now after this, if we talk about the structure of that, how you can make the structure of that. This is, suppose that this is your nucleus, right? And in that nucleus, this is something outer wall, right? So the outer wall is your, has a nuclear pore also. This is of course nuclear poles also, and from that outer wall there is an association of ER. Okay, there's an association of ER. Okay, so this is like that. Here the ER is found. So of course, even this is something very common. We know that even the question will not demand the structure. You have to have make the structure or the diagram in that question. So this is your ER. Okay. So what are the naming? You can simply write it down here. This is your nucleus. Okay. This is your nucleus. This is your nuclear wall. This is your nuclear, better say the membrane. This is something different about the cell wall and the cell membrane, right? This is your nuclear pore. Okay, this is your nuclear pore. These are the ER, these are the lumen, right? These are the lumen, and we know that on the ER there is a presence of ribosomes. right? There's a presence of ribosome, but not in all ER. On the basis of that, even they are classified, right? They are classified also. So these are the ribosomes. These are the ribosomes, and these are your ER, right? So combinedly, this is known as your rough ER. Of course, we'll talk about it separately, and this without ribosome is known as your smooth ER. Smooth ER. This diagram you can make, है ना? So after the introduction, you can also write it like that. Then after, you can write like that. Types of ER. Types of ER. Or do not write this as a short form में acronym. Avoid that. Although when you are writing that, if you write the endoplasmic reticulum somewhere and just write the non in a bracket ER, that it will be defined. Okay. So types of ER on the basis of presence or absence of, on the basis of presence or absence of ribosome. Of course, if there's something is division, there's some basis ribosome. So the first is your rough ER, rough ER, endoplasmic reticulum, also known as granular ER, because of the presence of, because its appearance, because its appearance as it contains ribosomes in its outer wall, in its on its membrane, okay, in its outer membrane. Better say the membrane, because this is not the double membrane or something like that. In its membrane, these are mainly involved, we know that these are mainly involved in your protein synthesis. So these are mainly found in the cells which are involved in the protein synthesis. Okay, so these are abundant, sorry, my bad, these are, excuse me, these are abundant in liver cells and pancreatic cells. These are abundant in liver cells and pancreatic cells. Okay, and pancreatic cells. This is something about the rough ER. Then you will write about that smooth ER. Smooth ER. Also known as, of course, this is if this is a granular, then it will be a granular, also known as a granular, right? So in that first granular, I have already rough here. I have literally written that how you will form the statement. So here we'll simply write the point: absence of ribosome, absence of ribosomes on its membrane, on its membrane, mainly found in the, because we know that basically that smooth ER is mainly involved in your lipid or the fat synthesis. So abundant in, or mainly found in, abundant in liver, fat or the lipid forming cells, lipid synthesis, synthetic cells, such as your adipose, lipid synthetic, or simply just write it down, adipose or muscle cells, adipose cells or muscle cells, right? So this is something basic thing we can write in that body part. Then we'll write about the function, which is the major function, right? Functions of ER. So of course we know that because there are two different types of ER, so of course there are two different various type of functions of, so functions of ER or functions of reticulum. So first, of course, we will write the function of ER, which are the some of the common function. Then of course we will also write the separate function of your RER and smooth ER. Okay. So first function is your protein synthesis, you know, because we know that. So first function is your protein synthesis. Second function is your compartmentalization, compartmentalization of protoplasm, right? Of protoplasm or the cytoplasm, whatever you want to say. Localization of organelles, localization of organelles, है ना. Then storage of proteins or molecules, storage of molecules or compounds, storage of molecules and compounds, and support the cell or the protoplasm, sorry, better say the protoplasm, as its endoskeleton, right, as its endoskeleton. These are the some of the common function which we know. Now we will write about the function of RER. Either we can write like that. RER, the function of RER. So first, mainly in the protein synthesis, of course, protein synthesis due to the presence of ribosome, and ribosome is actually involved in the protein synthesis. The second, synthesis of lysosomal enzymes. Synthesis of lysosomal enzymes, right? Third is formation of SER, है ना? The third is formation of SER. Then we can also write the function of SER. Now we'll write the function SER function, है ना? Okay, so the first function is lipid or hormone which are actually generally hormone are proteinaceous in nature, but some of the hormones are also lipid in nature or the fattish in nature. Okay, so lipid or hormone synthesis. Here you will connect, there's a one more very important link you can connect here, lipid or hormone synthesis. Okay, then in calcium regulation, okay, the third point is detoxification of drugs and xenobiotics or xenobiotics with help of P450, that is your cytochrome, with cytochrome P450. Of course, this, if I will start explaining this, it will gonna be take time. Yes. So the second is also glycogen metabolism. Okay. So here we have mentioned the four function. Now here we have mentioned the 3 function, and here we have mentioned the 5 function. So these, because ER, whenever the question comes from that ER, of course you have to have mentioned the function of the ER. So these are the some common function. We will not go into that deep discussion, because of course it will be a very separate topic, because when you start talking about the protein synthesis, this is something the translational process, है ना, when we talk about that replication, transcription and translation process, this whole process is actually associated with the ribosomes, and ribosomes, where the ribosomes are mainly present in your ER. So I am just trying to say that function of ER are not only the protein or the lipid synthesis, है ना, there are some various other functions, such as because we know that actually your ER, है ना, when we see simple cell, right, so when we see that cell, so cell has a mainly in the nucleus, of course we are talking about the animal cell because we are here for the zoology optional subject. So the cells have a particular kind of ER, है ना, that is actually dividing the whole cell, dividing the whole protoplasm into a separate location, right? So this is something we can known as a localization of cell organelles, because we know the basic composition of your protoplasm or the cytoplasm. We'll talk about it, what is the difference between the protoplasm and cytoplasm, if you guys want, in the next discussion, right? So so this is the protoplasm, the cytoplasm. There will be the so many organelle, and the measles like it is little a semi fluid, है ना, so it is mainly semi fluid. The organelles are matlab actually localized in the their place with the help of that ER, and of course the Golgi body. So this is something, the compartmentalization, that is, this is a compartment, because these are the membrane bond structure, right? So this, the protein synthesis, I am just trying to say the protein synthesis and the lipid synthesis is not the only function, but there are some other function you can mention in your answers. Okay, so I am just trying to say broad your knowledge, so that you will have a good concept to write in your answer copy.